Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the assistive touch button on this device. Simply go to settings. Now scroll down, tap on accessibility. Now again scroll down. Here you can see the option touch. Select this one. Now on the top you can see the option assistive touch. Tap on this one. Simply turn on this option. So here you can see the option assistive touch. If you tap on this one, you can see some options. So if you want to customize this one, that means if you want to customize the action, single tap, double tap, long press. For the single tap, you can select any option from this one. You can see these are the options. So here you can see for the single tap, it is open menu. And here I am going to customize for the double tap, tap on this one. And for the double tap, I am going to select the option control center. Now go back, let me show you. For the single tap, it will open the menu, and for the double tap, it will open the control center. You can see. So according to your choice, you can select the option. So for the long press, from the long press, I am going to select the option screenshot. Tap on this one. Now go back. Now press and hold the assistive menu. You can see the screenshot is captured. So simply in this way, we can enable the assistive touch button on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.